how long can we all get together at this center and do prayers and learn and share? Maybe if some of the founding people, the women and men and myself, if we die or something happens, then the center collapses. Then everything we've done is forgotten and it's gone. And one day I will die. One day you will die. One day the people that work very close to me will die. And that's a very hardcore fact of Buddhism. No matter how much we avoid that thought, it is just denial. And the more we deny, the less we do spiritual practice. The more we accept the truth, the more we will do spiritual practice. Hence, death is the first chapter within the consolidated teachings of the Buddha, written by the King of Dharma, Tsongkhapa, which is impermanence and death. And the reason that is so important, and it's on the first chapter, is, do you find yourself having difficulty changing your habits? Do you find yourself having difficulty choosing Dharma work over secular? Do you have problems choosing Dharma motivation over secular? Do you have problems and you find yourself lazy, unmotivated, unable to change? Do you find yourself falling into old habits? Do you see the years passing by and your mind doesn't change? Do you see your knowledge in Dharma growing, but your practice and your mind doesn't transform much? Well, if you want to know the secret to, the key to changing is the meditation on death, the meditation on impermanence. To read that chapter over and to meditate on that chapter. Why? If you have actualized the meditation on death, if you have realized the meditation on death, you will be very kind. You will want to work in the Dharma. You will want to be a benefit to others. You will want to do Dharma work. And you will transform yourself and change yourself. Do you know why? Because you know that ultimately we all have to go. Those of us who have a chance to work in the Dharma, those of us who have a chance to work in Kachara, who have a chance to work in Dharma organization, you are very fortunate. You are very lucky, and you have a lot of merits. Those of us who do not work in the Dharma, for whatever reasons, or run away from Dharma work, it shows how selfish your mind is, how you have not learned the Dharma. It shows how little merit you have. And it's like you're hungry, people give you gold, you throw the gold away, and you grab onto a rock. Simple. So later, definitely you'll have problems. Definitely you have difficulties. Definitely. So therefore, how much Dharma you do, how much you transform your mind, how much your mind changes, how much you can change your old habits is 100% dependent on meditation of death and impermanence. 100%.